Dewas.
Ni Adish nak naik aeroplane Best tak?
Best.
Happy dance.
Happy dance. Happy dance.
Happy dance.
Happy dance. Happy dance.
Malu.
Boleh tak payah kak? Boarding sebab ada baby, kita orang tak boleh guna laluan biasa. Kita kena melalui kaunter. So we are waiting for the staff. Agree?
Give your children their own wallet so that they can play with the wallet instead of playing with yours.
Yes.
Boarding plane.
Oh, tadi.
Bring snacks for your kids that she can munch on it, keeps her occupied and keeps her ears from ringing. She slept like a baby in the restaurant.
So, President is an investment?
Yes, it is. It is.
What are you doing?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
What are you doing? You're eating cereal in cups. Hey, don't throw. Why you throw it away? Back into the cup. Put it back into the cup.
Mama dia cuba bagi main dengan cup toy during flight. Wow, she seems happy. She seems distracted.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have just landed at Kansai International Airport, Osaka. And local time now 9:32 AM with ground temperature reported 26 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. And the usage of mobile phones is not allowed until the fasten seatbelt sign above you has been switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartment. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand carry luggage and personal belongings with you.
Survive the flight.
We officially arrived in Japan. Introduce our manager, Irni Jasya binti Ibrahim. Dia yang sortkan perjalanan, itinerary, tempat makan, segala-galanya lah. Laki dia buat apa? Laki dia beban.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly away with me.
Nah, sampai menu apa?
Ambil cold noodle sama mushroom ball goreng, sotong goreng.
Okay.
Jangan jadi sotong.
Nanti nasi.
Jaga dekat dah. Oh. Ini Jasia multitasking. Makan apa ni?
This is a regular soba. Regular udon.
Udon. Main one
Yours is beef udon.
and mix of tempura. Adeline makan onigiri ball.
Salmon udon.
Trish? Adeline cuma minum green tea.
This nak.
Oh, Adeline suka makan udon. Yum. Adeline pun suka makan udon. Boleh bagi sikit komen kanan anda?
The umami taste is so light. And the udon is so smooth. You feel like you're a slithery snake.
This is not a sponsored video.
Hey, you read manga je.
Dekat Sanuki Udon. Very nice place. Halal. Recommended. 5 star.
Something's gonna bring the change.
After this, we go to Suruhashi station to our Airbnb. So we use Google Maps.
Our best friend Google Map. See you. Habis dah tidur.
Tadi dia nak tidur ke?
Adik dia pula yang nak bangun. So kita sekarang pergi ke energy station dulu. Mama.
How many stops ah? Tennoji.
Okay. Kita dah tiba perang. Tewas. Amin.
Ni kan tu orang kita tewas tadi.
Saya pun tewas juga. Hachiko. We have arrived our Airbnb house. So kita buat room tour. Yeah.
Nanti hilang. Oh.